How to use the excerpt field in Gravity Forms. The post excerpt field, which allows users to enter data, is used to complete a post excerpt. By combining this field with the other post fields, a form that can generate post data from a user submission can be created. It can be found in the post field section of the form editor. So if you include the post excerpt field, the user who submits the form will be able to specify the content of the excerpt. So you will be able to specify the post author and post status in this field, as well as in the post title and post body fields. So in the post fields, drag and drop the excerpt field. Enter the field's label. So in the description field, you're able to add a description. In the post status, filling out the form will allow you to select the post status that will be applied to the newly created post. There are three options: the draft, pending review, and published. So the default post author, here, choose the author of the post that will be created by the form entry. So use login user as author. Set the post author to the WordPress user who submitted the form with this option. In the post category, choose the category for the post that will be created by the form entry. So in this field, enter the maximum number of characters that can be entered. So you can also use this option to make the form field required. Then you can use the rest of the options to customize the field, the appearance field, advanced field settings, and the conditional logic. So after that, you have to save the form. Then preview it. This is what it looks like. This is the post excerpt. You just have to enter the details. That's all. Thank you for watching.